Hi, I am Shabari Smita Guha. I am part of this ongoing show Black Window Dreams Beyond. My concept is on reinforcing energies. I believe that we all have some hidden energies which we need to acknowledge or we need to reinforce them from time to time. And this reinforcement of energy keeps us moving on with full energy with our growing wisdom. And that is how I have come up with two of my works. Reinforcing energies, I believe very strongly that as person we have many different kinds of energies which keep us alive and motivate us in various events or various things which we face in our day-to-day life. This pandemic has also been the same, not just for me, but it's for every one of us here. So I feel that we need to recollect our energies, we need to reinforce all our hidden energies which are layered somewhere within us and face this pandemic and be stronger than before. During this pandemic, we have been caged in our imaginations because of the lockdown we have not been moving out. So does one of my work, poetry. Looking out from my window adjacent to my bed gives me a vast open sky which allows me to go beyond the window and live to the fullest of my imagination. The other work is a performance in which I have shown our life. Our life is like pages of diaries. Every learning, every single thing which we face or which we learn or experience is like a diary page. And with experiences to add on, we grow up. We grow up from our childhood to an adolescent to a matured person. We keep developing ourselves by reviewing what we have experienced, what we can learn from our past, and how better we can do. In the same performance, I have shown this. And at the end, somewhere we feel we want to have a peaceful or a happy or a pleasant ending. So the performance also leads to the same. How the way I have layered the whites one over the other metaphors the same. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.